Hey YouTube, this is the Robinhood Investor. Hope you had a great week of trading. As always, I really appreciate your support. So if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. And if you want to learn more about investing, subscribe to this channel. Today I'm going to talk about my top 4 holdings in my $313,000 portfolio. The app I'm using is Personal Capital. This app allows you to track multiple portfolios and different accounts, whether it's a bank account, individual brokerage account, Roth IRA, 401k, or other investment accounts. You can easily glance at the dashboards, get an overview of all your portfolios, and adjust them accordingly. Other features include viewing your allocations, transactions, cash flow, budgeting, and planning for retirement. They also have financial advisors available, but I don't recommend them because it requires a fee. All their dashboard tools are completely free, easy to use, and provide a lot of insights. It's available on web as well as mobile. So go to your mobile app store and check out Personal Capital. Remember to use my referral code in the description below or in my pinned comment below, and both of us get $20 after you link an investment account. I'm recommending this app because I genuinely think this is the best portfolio tracker that's completely free. I'm not sponsored by Personal Capital and do not have any affiliation with them other than the fact that I use their tracking tools. So within Personal Capital, you get a breakdown of your holdings, allocations, and sector diversification, which is helpful to see how you can improve your portfolio. So taking a look at allocation, let's look at the breakdown. Currently, cash position is 3.35% of my portfolio at $10,495.27. Next, I don't have any international bonds. US bonds, I have 0.01% at $15.82. International stocks, it's at 7.36% of my portfolio, and the value of that is $23,036.26. US stocks, which makes up majority of my portfolio, is at 87.48%. The value is $273,896 or $273,896. And then alternatives is 1.8% at $5,637. So that complete total is $313,080. So as you can see, it's fairly diversified. Majority of the holdings is in US stocks, but I plan to increase my exposure to the international market, currently at 7.36%, but hopefully I can increase this to 20% and also increase my cash position, which is currently at 3.35%. I plan to increase this to 10% just so I can buy when there's opportunities to buy. So that was the allocation of my portfolio. Let's take a look at the holdings. So these are my top 4 holdings. And within the holdings feature, you can see how it compares to the S&P 500, the foreign markets, and US bond markets. And you can also get a visual chart comparison of your portfolio within these benchmarks. Right now, I have the date range set to 30 days, but you can also configure to 90 days, 1 year, or custom range. So currently I have my holdings sorted from greatest to least. And you can see the largest holdings are either index funds or ETFs. ETFs and index funds are a good way to diversify your portfolio. And they're extremely passive. And make sure you check the expense ratio because that's the cost associated to buying those funds. The ones I have are Vanguard and Schwab funds. So these are extremely low expense ratio. So first one, ticker symbol VIGIX. This is a Vanguard growth fund. Current value of $25,613. Next is VINIX. This is I believe this tracks the S&P 500. Is $25,000, 213. Next is Schwab Large Cap ETF. Current value is 17,593. VOO, that's Vanguard S&P 500. Current value is 16,679. So those are my top 4 largest positions. Let's take a look at the holdings within each of these funds, starting with VIGIX. And as I mentioned, that's a Vanguard Growth Index fund. So some of the holdings include Amazon, Apple, Microsoft, Facebook, Google, or Alphabet, Visa, Boeing, Home Depot, and MasterCard. And sectors include technology, consumer cyclical, healthcare, industrials, financials, and it's weighted towards more, I would say more volatile or cyclical sectors. So in a bull market, these sectors tend to be more volatile. So good times in a bull market, it would surge and go up with the market, but in a bear market, it would be the first to dip. Next is VINIX. This is a institutional fund. Vanguard tracks the S&P 500. So holdings include Microsoft, Apple, Amazon, Facebook, Berkshire Hathaway, Johnson & Johnson, JP Morgan, Google, ExxonMobil. So I had some of the stocks from the growth fund, but it includes more of the other sectors. And the last two also probably have a lot of overlap, but let's go over the holdings still. So Schwab Large Cap ETFs, these are some of the largest companies in the US, including Microsoft, Apple, Amazon, Facebook, Berkshire Hathaway, Johnson & Johnson, JP Morgan, Google, and ExxonMobil. Last but not least, VOO, Vanguard S&P 500. Looking at the holdings, including Microsoft, Apple, Amazon, Facebook, Berkshire Hathaway, Johnson & Johnson, JP Morgan, Google, and ExxonMobil. So a lot of these funds have a lot of overlap, and I plan to consolidate my positions. Still thinking about how I'm going to do that, but I plan to consolidate, so I'll definitely keep you guys posted as I think about that. So that's all for this video. What are your top holdings? Comment down below. Remember to use my referral code, and both of us get $20 after you link an investment account. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. And if you want to learn more about investing, subscribe to this channel. See you in the next video.